everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to a small part of my life. My name is Lori and today I am going to show you an unboxing of Fashom. Okay, so take two. I just filmed myself opening up that box, and when I went back to check it, it was in fast forward mode, so it was like really speeding, and I can't put that on. So I am redoing my opening of the Fashom box. So you're not going to see the bundle because I already tore it out of the bundle, but I'm going to show you each of the pieces and kind of explain them to you. So this is a dolman shirt. It's like a blue-gray color, and it has kind of like a V-neck, and then it has the round neck in the back of it. It's very lightweight and soft. It does look a little big for me, so if I wanted it, I would have to probably size down, but we will try it on just to find out. This one is from Natural Life, and it is the Intermingle Dolman Sleeve Top for $36. These ones are actually called Boo Hoo Distressed Skinny Jean, and they are 40, let me double check, $45. So I have problems with lots of jeans. I've had a lot of surgeries over the last couple of years and lots of scarring. So it is difficult for me to wear just regular jeans and have something that's tight on all of my scarring. So I'm looking for ones that have lots of stretch in them and ones that I can just pull on and pull off and make it a little bit easier. These do have a button and a zipper. They are a skinny. They are distressed. You see it right in the knee area. Well, that one's distressed, and this one looks like it has a couple distressed areas here. They are skinny. So we will try those on. The next item is a thermal top by Paper Moon. This one is the, let's see, this one is the Paper Moon Crisp long sleeve top, and this one is $39. I'm not exactly what color this is. It's like a pinky mauve color, but it's kind of a basic. It has the buttons down the front. They're not working buttons, they're just decorative. So it has like the rounded neck. Looks like the bottom is just the same length in the front as in the back. It does have some stitching to match the stitching at the top where the buttons are. Show you that. It's very stretchy, and that one is $39. The next one is called, it's by White Birch. It is the Ellie Knit sweater, and this one is $49. I think this is the most expensive thing in my box, but it is very thin. It is soft, but it is very thin, and it might be a little oversized. I'm not sure. It's just kind of a basic sweater. You can see through it a little bit, so it's very light. Let me look at the bottom real quick. It might be a high-low. It looks like it's just a little bit higher in the front than in the back. So we will try that one on. And this is also made by White Birch. It is, let's see what it's called. Okay, White Birch. It is the Piper Waffle Knit Long Sleeve top for $43. This is cute. It's got animal print around the neck. It's a V-neck. Has animal print on the edge of the sleeves, and it also has it down at the bottom. Just, I'm looking at a lot of these clothes today. They look big for me. I think some of them might be mediums, and I wear small. So they always tell you though, try them on because every company sizes differently. So you just need to try them on and see what you think then. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get my first outfit on. Okay, I am back. I have on the first item, which is the White Birch Waffle Knit Sweater with a leopard print. So It's cute, but I don't know, it just does not fit correctly the way that I like it to. So I'm wearing mine off the shoulder. It's a little big up top. It does have the leopard print around the wrist, and it does have it around the bottom. So let me go ahead and show you a picture of this one. This is the first one. This one is $43. Okay, so here's the second item. The second item is the white birch Ellie knit sweater, and $49. This sweater is very lightweight, and it's just pretty plain. It's just, I don't know if it's a greenish gray. Kind of reminds me of a greenish gray. So it's long sleeves. Show you the back. Very simple, and there's nothing that stands out about it to me. So this one will be going back. This is the third item. It is made by Natural Life. It is like a bluish gray color. It is a dolman sleeve. This is the first time that I've ever tried on a dolman sleeve, and not sure exactly if it's for me. I don't really like all this extra like bat wing material underneath. It is comfortable. It is very lightweight. Not particularly sure how you work the bottom of it either, but it's okay. I think it's $39, $36, one of those. But here's the front, and this is the back. So I have one more shirt to try on and a pair of pants. The pants I've already tried to put on, but they are very uncomfortable for me, and they hurt where my surgeries have all been. So I'm not gonna come out in those. Those will definitely be going back also. Okay, I'm back with the last piece. This is Paper Moon, $39. It is a thermal Henley. It fits very well. It is fitted in the sides, and it does have the contrast stitching by the detail of the buttons. These are not working buttons, they're just for decoration. Also has contrasting stitching at the bottom, and it is long sleeve. Oh, it does have it around the wrist too. So this is the only piece that I have really liked out of this box. Everything else I felt was not worth the money for. Also that the sizing and fit of the garments did not fit me right. Let me show you what this one looks like though. Here's the bag. So this will probably be the only piece that I do keep out of the box. My $15 will go towards the cost of this shirt. Not sure that I'm gonna order Fashom again. I've ordered, this is probably my 6th box, and out of each box I've only kept one piece. I just don't feel that quality is there for the pricing, and that I would rather get a Stitch Fix or a NATALIE ATTIRED box that I know they may be more pricey and their price points are higher, but I think the quality is a lot better on those boxes. So I probably won't be ordering this again. So thank you for coming and visiting me on my channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell to get notifications of when I'm on again. So I will also be doing another video today, which will be Stitch Fix. So go ahead and keep watching for that one. Thanks, bye, have a great day.